Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish and I'm back in another video. Hope you guys are all doing well. Kind of just wanted to break down the trade I took earlier today. Also, we got NVIDIA earnings, so a little bit excited about that. Wonder what it's going to do for market and whatnot. But let's get into the trade. So we're looking at SPY. First off, today is Wednesday the 19th. We're looking at SPY on the 1 minute though. Earlier, I seen kind of like market had shot out. We seen a very high volume candle, It looked kind of bearish, but lately I've been seeing like SPY like being bearish at the start or like at the first five minutes of market and just flipping and finding buyers. So I kind of like had that in my head already. We seen it rally past the VWAP, hold above the VWAP, and then get to this supply. And right here I was like, it will either reject or continue going on. I mean, that's or it'll consolidate, but I kind of had it going up further. So my only problem with my entry was it was kind of rushed. I think the play, I mean, as we can see, the play went through and whatnot. My entry was kind of bad. I entered, I think, on the rejection of the first candle. I think I should have waited a little bit more to reject at this supply or whatnot and enter here. So I think that part was rushed. But other than that, we see it continue to rally to 666. It's a crazy number. But and right here I was like, this is my target really, and I wanted to see it continue, but I'm also not going to I'm not gonna lose my profit for no reason. So I ended up pulling right here, which I think was a very good exit. I think I left with $102 from that trade. It was quick. It was like 30 minutes, I think. I really like staying in the market for a short period of time. But yeah, we see it continue to find buyers, but then eventually fall at 667 and reject. We see it fail to hold the VWAP and continue falling to 659 and then pretty much consolidate again. And market's still going on. We're seeing it reclaim the VWAP. Yeah. Interesting. It was a pretty eventful day though, or just pretty volatile day. We seen both buys and sells and whatnot, or buyers and sellers step in, so it was really interesting. And you could have made money both ways. But let's have a look at it on the 5 and 15 minute to see if we can see anything interesting or whatnot. Look open, we see the rejection and then just the rallying until 667 and then the fall. I kind of wanted to take the sell, but I had already made the profit for today, so I didn't want to risk it and whatnot. But yeah, let's look at a 15 minute last but not least and whatnot. Wow, stocks look beautiful. But yeah, NVIDIA earnings is soon, and we've been in a bearish market, if you will, for the last, I would say, week or two. Maybe by definition it's not bearish yet, but like it seems pretty bearish. We seem to be in a bearish, timeline or somewhat. I just realized my face wasn't even showing. But so I really think that these NVIDIA earnings will kind of either it will kind of like set the story for how stocks are gonna play for the next couple of months, maybe year, honestly. But if the earnings are bad, we're definitely gonna be in a bearish next couple of months. If the earnings are good, I think it might hold us up for a little if we are in a recession and whatnot. But yeah, excited for that, and I'll make a video of my reaction to it, what I think will happen, blah blah blah. But yep, that's all I have today. Hope you guys have a good one and stay bullish.